In this video, I'm going to show you how to make emails go to a specific folder in Gmail. Now, this is actually a way for you to automatically sort emails coming into your inbox. And it's actually pretty simple. So say, for example, we're here right now, and we're going to go ahead and create a label. So we can go ahead and click this one right here, and I'm just going to call this one client. You can definitely choose whatever kind of naming systems you want. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. All right, now from here, I'm going to click the more here and then choose manage labels, and we're going to head over to filters and blocked addresses. So from here, we're going to create a new filter, and let's say, for example, you have client emails. What you're going to do is just basically type their emails here. I'm going to choose this one right here. For example, this is a client email, say, for example, right? All right, after that, I'm just going to go ahead and click create filter, and then I'm just going to choose to skip it to inbox and then apply the label. So the label is going to be the client. If you want to forward it, mark it as read, basically all the other kind of things in here, you can definitely do that one. And then what I'm going to do is check this one here, always mark it as important, and then click create filter. All right, so there's a verification needed. I'm just going to do this one real quick. All right, there you go. Seems like it's done. As you can see, we now have a new label or a new filter. So let's go ahead and add, say, for example, to. So if you're sending this to a particular person, it can definitely be added there as well. So in this case, I'm just going to use that same email there and then click the create filter right here. Do the same thing earlier. So the label is going to be client, and then I'm just going to always mark it as important. Now, one last thing, let's say subject, we have the words here, has the words or doesn't have that one. You can definitely set this. For subject, let's say, for example, this is a particular project that we're working, it's ABC project. We can definitely create a filter for that, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did earlier here. All right, there you go. So we now have 3 filters for that. So in this case, let's go ahead and test it out. So let's head over here in our email and client. As you can see, there's no conversation here. And then if we are going to go over here, this is that same email that we want to test. I'm just going to compose a new one, and we're going to be sending it to that particular other account of ours. And then let's say, for example, let's say ABC project, okay? I'm just going to say hello, and then let's click the send button. This time, let's head over here, and we're just going to wait for that email to arrive in here. Or if you want to make sure it's in inbox, you can definitely do that as well. All right, there you go. So it seems like it doesn't appear in the inbox. That is because we have chose to archive that one. But if you're going to head over here, client, if you can click this one, you can see that now that email is in here. So if you're going to click, there is the ABC project, and there is the label client. Yep, that is just how simple it is, everybody. It's actually pretty simple, and I know you're pretty much capable of doing that as well. So yeah, if this video is helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how this video helps you. Thank you.